Hey YouTube, just picked up Ryobi 3100 PSI 2.5 gallons per minute gas pressure washer from Home Depot. So here it is, unboxed. Looks fairly easy. Instructions just show pull it out, hook a handle up, and you'll be good to go. I'm gonna pull it out here, so bear with me. Alright, so there it is, not too heavy. There's everything that comes with it. The hose, it's shorter than normal. There's your wand, instructions, oil, and how to all put it together. Looks fairly easy to install. Actually, you don't have to put anything together. You just lift it up, it's ready to go. The only thing that you have to put together here is the front cover here. That just bolts it right on like so. I'm going to put it all together and I'll test it out and get back to you guys. Thanks.